This I have to catch, folks. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the May 2019 Pottstown Car Club cruise, a Saturday night cruise. We're checking out this Gremlin. It pulled up and I had to catch it. Gremlin 2, Gremlin X-2. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. Very, very nice, folks. That's what I was saying, with Pottstown Classic Car Club, they get a really nice mix of vehicles coming through. Nice little Plymouth, 33, powered by Chevy. We got the Challenger RT. Pull over because I want to check out this Plymouth pulling in. There's a little pony coming in, a Fox body making her announcement. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the May 2019 Pottstown Classic Car Club Saturday night cruise. Oh, that's got a great note, folks. Listen to that. That snarling in the background is Modern Muscle. Of course, what would a cruise be without a few Chevy trucks? That's a nice looking pickup. Real nice looking pickup. While they decide, we're going to take a walkabout and see the rest of this row. See that whistle? Very nice. Nice grand entrance. A Mustang. I know you all want to check the Firebird. 67. Oh, there's that Chevy pickup, came in. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the May 2019 Pottstown Classic Car Club cruise.
All right, 68,
67.
67. Nice.
Very, very nice.
Okay.
I think we're going to end it with this bird. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. While you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.
I have a 74 bet. And